All right, it's that time of day. Let's get to making our future better using this technology in the way that it was meant to be used. Checking in one day at a time, one individual at a time, so we can change the way that we love one another. Checking in on those who don't check in out of love and getting to rehabilitation lifestyles instead of punishment lifestyles. Using our technology, but more importantly, creating systems that we can believe in, that are non biased, and that benefit the majority, not the minorities. And just loving each other in ways that we haven't done in thousands of years. Going back to the village mentality, but creating that village mentality throughout the world and really loving each other better, not just ourselves, because loving yourself is super important. Taking care of yourself is the most important because, quite simply, you can't take care of others if you don't first take care of yourself. And this is the golden rule. Self-love is super important, like moving your body, drinking water, eating a healthy, balanced diet, and getting water consumption in. 1 to 2 cups of water within half an hour of waking up will boost digestion, wake the body up naturally, cleanse the organs of toxins, and help those organs function properly. The same goes with 8 cups throughout your day. Bottoms up. I'm gonna floss and brush my teeth. See you at my sun salutation video. Bye.